Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Jozal Faruk Ishak from Politeknik Negeri Bandung, Indonesia. I'm author this paper, and this paper title, The Determinants Factors of Regional Financial Independence, presentation in the second International Seminar of Science and Applied Technology. So let's get started. First of all, I'll begin introduction and then literature review, continue by research method, result and discussion. Finally, I'll finish conclusion. Okay, introduction. The concept of new public management is an important issue in public sector reform for good governance, where the concept of new public management is also related to the problems of public sector performance management. Because budget measurement is one of the main principles of NPM. The NPM objective is to change the bureaucratic environment that has been seen as complicated, less flexible, and not oriented to the public interest. Bureaucratic reform in Indonesia is one of form of NPM, starting with the change of government system change from centralization to decentralization of revenue and spending is way to increase efficiency in the public sector, reduce budget deficit, and drive economic growth. However, decentralization has negative impacts such as a condition where local governments respond to regional expenditure that come from transfer organs that are unconditional rather than local ones source revenue, so that it will to inefficient spending. Next, the system of determining balance funds from the central government to local government is less effective. Finally, the local governments, in order to be able to carry out public service operational more feasible, so that this causes local governments tend to prioritize spending without considering the ability of financial independence. This study tries to examine regional finance independence, three determinants: local own source revenue, balance funds, and other lawful local revenue. This study is expected to contribute to the edition of literature and can contribute practical to local government, especially in Maluku and Papua regional as considered in local government budget. Okay, second is literature review. Local own source revenue is a local revenue derived from regional revenue source used to finance the implementation of regional autonomy, so that local source revenue should be pursued to increase in line with the improvement of services to the public. Local own source revenue has a positive effect on regional financial independence. Balance funds report that local government that receive balance funds will treat these funds as local revenue originating from central government transfer, and this local revenue will be used to capital expenditure. Balance fund has a positive on regional financial independence. Other local revenue is all revenue except local revenue and transfer revenue, which include grants, emergency funds, and other local revenue in accordance with the provision of the law. Other local revenue has a positive effect on regional financial independence. The regional financial independence ratio is a ratio that measures the extent to which local government depend on external source of funds, such as from the central government or loans. Local revenue, balance fund, and other local revenue have a positive effect on regional financial independence. That is research method. Metodenya descriptive quantitative, population and sample, local government in Maluku and Papua, all population Maluku, not Maluku, Papua, province, data source, secondary data, types of data pooling, data collection technique, group the types using statistical data set technique. Research method, the classical assumption test, and the analytical method. result in this normality test, multi-correlated test, and autocorrelated test is no problem. Result and description. The result of data processing that local on-source revenue, balance fund, and other local economic influence of regional financial independence on the table. First, the influence of local source revenue on regional financial independence. In this study shows there is a positive and influential relationship. Institutional standing in Maluku and Papua province can be solution to increase regional financial independence through organizational restructuring according to regional needs, increasing human resource capacity, and modernization of regional taxation administration. Secondly, this study show that the variable balance fund atau dana perimbangan on regional financial independence is one of the external assistance received by a region to meet the needs of government programs. If it has a deficit, so that the level of regional financial independence will continue to increase if the original regional income is greater than the balance funds. Finally, this study influence other local revenue insignificant to regional financial independence. Improve human resource insight through civil servant activities in every training, workshop, FGD, focus group discussion, and other forums. With various efforts made by Maluku and Papua province, it is expected to increase local on-source revenue so that regional dependence on balance fund from the central government can be reduced. Finally, conclusion. First, the local on-source revenue has an effect on regional finance independence. The balancing fund. Second, the balancing fund has an effect on regional financial independence. Third, the other level local revenue has no effect on regional financial independence. Although this study can bring up some contribution, there are still limitations. This study focused on provincial government in the Maluku and Papua region, Indonesia. Consequently, the result of this study should not be overgeneralized to local government. To gain a better result, future studies could sample data from all provincial government in Indonesia. This study also has limitations related to the variables chosen to be included in the regional financial independence. However, variables such as tax ratio, fiscal space, growth, and expenditure of use were reported to also affect towards regional financial independence. So that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Hatur nuhun, see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.